Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the network and restarting core services. Check that Wi-Fi or mobile data shows a usable signal. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to reset the radio. Next, open Android settings, find apps, select Chrome and force stop, then relaunch. This flushes transient network locks and DNS states. Make sure Chrome isn't offline in data saver or in a restrictive battery mode, because those block background network access and cause the error. Once the app restarts, clear cache and site data for the specific site to remove stale entries and certificate caches. If the problem persists, change your DNS to a public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 in your Wi-Fi network settings to bypass ISP DNS issues. Also check Play Store for a Chrome update and install it. Updates often fix underlying TLS or network stack bugs. After updating DNS or the app, reboot the device to ensure new settings take effect. For final steps, try the site in incognito and in a different browser to isolate profile or extension problems. If that narrows it to system networking, reset network settings in Android, which clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular configs. Backup passwords first because they'll be removed. If you still see the error, use a mobile hotspot or a trusted VPN. This checks carrier routing or DNS blocking. Troubleshooting tip: if a VPN or hotspot fixes it, contact your ISP or remove the offending network profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.